Are you competitive? Well, I am not competitive. Okay. Why? Why am I not competitive? Basically, this thing, ki, I don't know. It's just like that. Ki I believe in growth, but I believe in slow growth. स्लो ग्रोथ का मतलब क्या होता है कि धीरे धीरे चीज़ें अच्छी होती है. ओके. लाइक यू शुडंट सपोज टू बी लाइक बेसिकली कभी भी लाइफ में चीज़ें एकदम सडनली थिंग्स हैपन, चीज़ें हो जाती. नो, इट्स नॉट. आपको धीरे धीरे मेहनत करना पड़ता है. यू जस्ट हैव टू कीप डूइंग योर वर्क एंड देन आफ्टर दैट kind of like a you will get kind of like something advantage of that. Okay. If you have kind of like a something like competitive attitude, then it's not really up to you. Because of that key, you're not actually handling that kind of like a slow growth, because you always feel that key like like basically yesterday I did this thing, I haven't really, like, just an example. Okay, I'm actually giving the example. Okay, so I am actually doing YouTube. Okay, I am uploading videos. Okay, video shorts वगैरह. So it's just like that कि at this moment I'm not getting that kind of like a something like exponential growth. No, it's not. Like it's a very less. Okay, like every day I get almost like basically thousands or 2000 views. Not really that much, but these are kind of like something really the average views I get. Subscriber from, like, I usually get almost like a 10 to 20 subscriber. Okay, not really that much, but yeah. सो दीज आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली द ग्रोथ. और ये धीरे 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 चीज़ें होती हैं. ओके, 10-20 सब्सक्राइबर फ्रॉम योर पॉइंट ऑफ परस्पेक्टिव इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग वेरी लेस नंबर, बट या आई एम गेटिंग एटलीस्ट दिस. ओके, यस. सो बेसिकली इज दिस थिंग कि चीज़ें धीरे धीरे होती है. एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट जस्ट अबाउट द यूट्यूब एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. नो, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एवरी thing that you will get. Okay, like the whatever the job or whatever the dream thing that you want to become, it has to be kind of like a, you put the effort. Okay, and you will expect that ki things will happen, and it will happen, but you have to do your effort years of years. Okay, सालों साल लग जाते हैं आप effort लगाते हो, and then things will happen. Okay, when you are competitive, you are not kind of like a somethingly person that you are believe in that slow growth. आपको like basically you are always kind of like a something doubt in yourself that कि yesterday I did something like that, मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, इतनी मेहनत की, फिर भी क्लास में मुझे इतने नंबर आए. लाइक यू आर गेटिंग ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ 93%, बट स्टिल यू आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग लाइक दैट कि मेरे पेपर बहुत अच्छे गए, इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट, एंड यू आर नॉट काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग satisfied with the 93 percentage. So you went to school and you went to the exam administrator and say this thing and that thing. It's not, because in the end it is like having a competitive, it's sometimes is good. Okay, at the competition or something like that, because at the competition you have to become a competitive, and this is kind of like a something very good factor. Yeah, but life is not a competition. Life is kind of like a something really a race. And there is a one thing that you should supposed to do is run. Okay, just run. Like basically they didn't really ask you to run kind of like a something very fast. No, just keep running. They just wants you to, in their life race, you just have to run. Okay, and that is exactly what you should supposed to do. As a competitive people, they are wants to run really fast. Like this actually happened. Like basically this thing ki the person who runs fast, he won't be able to run. Like basically he won't be able to run means like that at kind of like a something 1 2 3 lap he was actually running really fast. He was kind of like something very first, but after that he drain his energy and everything while running fast. Then next lap like a won't be able to run, or kind of like he was running really really slow, or kind of like something he will stop. So this is what actually happened to the competitive. Okay, uh having a competitive feeling or having kind of like a something really competitive is person is bad. No, it's not bad, it is good. Okay, but it's just like that ki how you supposed to be like handling that situation. Means just an example is that ki like at the competition you are competitive, that is good. Okay, that is really great. Okay, but like basically competitive is like having a competitive feeling is kind of like a something like very different that you think it is, like you just actually thinking about that ki there is some sort of competition. No, it's not. Okay, like there is a kind of like something like one social example that I wanted to say. Social example, like yeah, social example which is actually happen. Okay, शायद हर जगह होता है probably, but whatever. सो देर इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रिली हाउस, ओके, जहाँ पे आपके नेबर ने आपसे अच्छी गाड़ी ली है. ओके, लाइक यू आर एक्चुअली ड्राइविंग काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग एस यू वी, बट सडनली आपके नेबर ने एक स्पोर्ट्स कार ली है, जस्ट पोर्श वगैरह कौन सी भी स्पोर्ट्स कार ली है. एंड वेन यू सी हिज पोर्श कार, यू आर एक्चुअली फील लिटिल बिट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिव. ओके, दैट कि भाई इसने कैसे ली ये गाड़ी. ओके, so it's just like that कि when you see his car, you're thinking that कि why should I supposed to buy such car, like basically is this thing कि हाँ चलो मैं afford तो नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ but I wanted to buy this thing. So basically is this thing is that कि when society में चीज़ें कभी आपसे ऊपर होती है, यानी like यहाँ पे एक नेबर ने एक स्पोर्ट्स कार खरीदी, तो यू आर एक्चुअली वॉन्ट्स टू काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली वॉन्ट्स टू बाय अ स्पोर्ट्स कार, तो आप लोन लेकर एक स्पोर्ट्स कार खरीदते जो इट्स रियली नॉट दैट really good deal. Okay, yeah, sometimes having a competitive is not really good, because you should supposed to be understand the reality fact. Okay, buying a sports car is really essential, like you are actually driving SUV, and all those needs required for you from the car, SUV can do all those things. Okay, so you don't really need this sports car वगैरह वगैरह, but still you buy the sports car. Why? Because of that, like basically आपके neighbor ने ये गाड़ी ली ना, so I just wants to become kind of like a something like that कि like मैं भी like तुम्हारी तरह ही अमीर हूँ and I could afford this sports car वगैरह वगैरह. So this actually happened. um, फ़ोन के मामले में ये ज़रूर होता है. फ़ोन के मामले में लाइक बेसिकली समवन इज़ एक्चुअली बॉट द आईफ़ोन, देन अनदर पर्सन इज़ ऑल्सो बॉट द आईफ़ोन, तो या कॉम्पिटिशन तो होता ही है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द थिंग, बट द क्वेश्चन इज़ दैट कि एम आई बी कॉम्पिटिटिव? नो, आई एम नॉट कॉम्पिटिटिव. लाइक आई अंडरस्टैंड what is exactly the stake. Okay, and what is exactly things should I supposed to achieve, and for that target, for that thing, what exactly things should I supposed to do today. I believe in that. Okay, and I am not like I expect some sort of good things happen, but usually I believe in my work and I believe that I should supposed to be do your things. And yeah, like after I like basically after like it's just like that, there is a one thing that I understand in my life. Okay, that key in my entire life I won't be able to stable. Okay, even if I kind of like a somebody successful or everything, I have to do this thing or I have to do kind of like a work. काम हमेशा ही रहेगा and something my work will kind of like a something even more bigger. Okay, तो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग हैविंग अ कॉम्पिटिटिव इज़ नॉट रियली गुड थिंग. ओके, इसके लिए मुझे लाइक आई हैव टू प्ले अ लॉन्ग गेम. Okay, like basically if I do this thing, what will affect after the 5 year or after the 10 year? So this is kind of like a something like game that I'm actually playing. Okay, and for that particular thing, competitive is not a kind of like a something really attitude should I supposed to have. Okay, and as also from by nature I am not really that much competitive. If there is a kind of like a some sort of person who wants to win, I let him win. Because of that ki I play long game, because he will win today but I have to win tomorrow, and that is kind of like a something really the strategy that I have and I'm working on that. So yes, all right, next question.